everyone, this is Robert from Clean Australia Service. I would like to point to you something about bone bag guarantee service that we offer to our customers. So let's say when it comes to the end of lease cleaning, we guarantee you the bond, which means if your agent or your landlord not happy with the cleaning service or any part of the service, we will go back and pick up the keys and we rectify the issues for free. So it means we are guaranteeing with the service that confident that we are, and we will give you the peace of mind when we're dealing with our company, and we also give you the value for your money. So that is so important when you really want your bond back with a peace of mind. Thank you.